Okay, so here we have this wooden base, and this is Americana yarn, and I'm using 3 strands. So if you see, I have them still in the bag and they're just coming out. So I have 3 strands going. I'm going to keep the same yarn, this whole basket, and 3 strands at a time. So you insert your hook in, catch the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Insert your hook, yarn over again, pull through 2, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert the hook. It's a little awkward. Yarn over, pull through 2, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2. So it's a little bit awkward getting it because obviously the wood is not very flexible. Yarn is and has give, but the wood is just not flexible. So anyway, this is a really easy basket pattern, and I'm going to keep going. I believe I go up about 7 or 8 rows, and I mix a cute patriotic basket to decorate your home with, and I'm about to get them in my shop over on Etsy, and I have 4 baskets ready to do a photo shoot of, so I'm excited. Check back later for the finished product. Thanks, guys.